Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best smart window sensors you can buy right now. Whether you're looking to upgrade your home security or automate your smart home, we've got you covered with detailed reviews of the best options out there. As always, you can find links to each product in the description below. So, let's get started. Coming in at number 5, we have the Tuya Smart Wi-Fi door and window sensor. This compact sensor is designed for simplicity and versatility, making it a great starter option for anyone dipping their toes into smart home security. One standout feature is its ability to deliver instant phone notifications when your door or window opens or closes. However, it doesn't include a built-in siren, and advanced features like phone call alerts require a subscription. The design is sleek and minimalist, featuring a white plastic build that blends easily into most home environments. Installation is a breeze, with both adhesive tape and screws included for flexible mounting options. While the lack of included AAA batteries is a small drawback, the lightweight construction makes it easy to reposition if needed. When it comes to performance, the Tuya sensor gets the job done, but it's not without limitations. It integrates smoothly with popular platforms like Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, allowing for basic voice control commands. However, the absence of a built-in siren and reliance on app notifications might not provide the peace of mind some users seek. This sensor is ideal for those who want a lightweight, app-driven solution without the need for a hub. On the downside, its 3.6-star average rating suggests that some users have encountered reliability issues. Overall, the Tuya sensor is a decent choice for light-duty monitoring, but it may not satisfy those looking for advanced features. At number 4, we have the Xfox 4-pack Smart Door and Window Sensor. This is a solid mid-range option with a focus on affordability and compatibility with popular smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Assistant. What sets this product apart is its ability to send app notifications through the Tuya or Smart Life app whenever a door or window is opened. It also supports home automation routines, allowing you to trigger other smart devices, like lights. When a door opens, the design is practical, with a compact rectangular shape and a durable plastic build. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the included 3M adhesive tape. However, it's worth noting that the product doesn't come with the required AAA batteries, so you'll need to purchase those separately. The device does allow for a slightly wider sensor gap, 0.78 inches, which makes it suitable for a variety of door and window types. In terms of performance, the Xfox sensor works well for basic monitoring and smart home integration. However, some users have reported a slight delay in notifications during the device's hibernation state, which could be a concern for real-time security needs. Additionally, with a 3.7-star average rating, it's clear that while many users are satisfied, there's room for improvement in reliability. Overall, the Xfox sensors are a good option for budget-conscious users looking to expand their smart home setup on a smaller scale. Taking the third spot is the Moltsoft Smart Door Sensor Alarm. This 4-pack comes with 8 included AA batteries, making it ready to use right out of the box, a big plus for convenience. The Moltsoft sensors excel in smart home linkage, allowing you to automate other devices, such as lights, when a sensor is triggered. It's compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, enabling hands-free voice control. The build quality is robust, with a clean white finish that fits most interiors. Installation is a snap, with both screws and adhesive tape included for mounting. The added flexibility in installation is a nice touch, especially for renters or those who frequently rearrange their smart devices. The sensors are compact and lightweight, making them suitable for various applications, from doors and windows to cabinets and pet doors. In terms of performance, these sensors are reliable and deliver real-time notifications via the Tuya or Smart Life app. They're a strong pick for anyone who values ease of use and smart home integration. However, with a 3.7-star average rating, some users have noted occasional connectivity issues. Despite this, the included batteries and overall solid feature set make the Moltsoft sensors a great value for the price. In second place, we have the Gauda Cache Wi-Fi door window sensor. This 4-pack sensor kit is an excellent choice for users who want a balance of affordability, functionality, and reliability. One of its standout features is the app-based alert system, which sends real-time notifications whenever a door or window is opened. It also integrates seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering voice control capabilities. The design is sleek and compact, with a durable build that feels premium for its price point. Installation is tool-free and straightforward, thanks to the included 3M adhesive strips. This sensor is versatile enough to be used on doors, windows, cabinets, and even mailboxes. The addition of a low battery warning system ensures you're never caught off guard. When it comes to performance, the Gauda Cache sensors are reliable and responsive. They integrate well into smart home routines, allowing you to create automation like turning on lights when a door opens. With a solid 3.9-star average rating from users, this product is a dependable choice for those looking to enhance their home security without breaking the bank. While its lack of advanced features, like a built-in siren, might be a drawback for some, the overall value it delivers is hard to beat. Coming in at number 1 is the Tuya Wi-Fi door alarm system, and it's clear why this product takes the top spot. This 8-piece kit includes a central alarm siren, 5 door window sensors, and 2 remote controls, making it a comprehensive solution for home security. What sets it apart is its ability to expand with up to 20 sensors, ensuring full coverage of your home. The system is fully compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, offering seamless voice control. The design is modern and user-friendly, with the base station featuring a sleek gray finish. Installation is truly DIY-friendly and takes just minutes, thanks to the self-adhesive sensors. The inclusion of a backup battery for the base station is a thoughtful touch, providing up to 8 hours of emergency power in case of an outage. Performance-wise, the Tuya system is a powerhouse. The app delivers instant notifications, and the built-in siren adds an extra layer of security. The system is perfect for homeowners and renters alike, with no subscription fees or contracts. With a 4.2-star average rating from over 4,000 users, it's clear that the Tuya system is a crowd favorite. While its reliance on a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network might be limiting for some, its comprehensive feature set and excellent value make it the best overall choice for smart home security. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this review helpful in choosing the right smart window sensor for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Let me know in the comments which sensor caught your eye, or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.